All right, guys, it's that time. It's that time. It is opening day, dove season, guys. Woo! I am headed down south to meet my buddy Matt, and he has got a really special spot for us. It's not public lands, but it's really special. He was telling me they've got sunflower seeds, all the goodies for the dove, guys. So I am optimistic to get some of these birds on the ground. We're headed out south. I got about an hour drive. We're gonna keep heading this way, guys, and see if we can go get them. So stay tuned. Let's go put some birds on the ground. So can I borrow your flathead?
Yes, a man will allow you the usage.
Guys, I need to put my plug in my shotgun. I've been quail hunting, don't need it, but for dove, you need your plug. So Matt's gonna let me borrow a screwdriver since I'm not manly enough to have a screwdriver in my truck, because my stuff never breaks.
So I'm only drinking Gatorade because there'll be a whole.
There's vodka. There's vodka in there. Don't let him fool you. There's vodka in there.
The lack of manlyhood here. We're gonna solve that.
Yeah. All right, guys. So I just met up with Matt. We got a couple more guys coming. We're gonna get out, get this plug changed out, and go hit them birds. All right, guys. We've got everybody. We've met up with all the guys, and we're headed out now. So I'm following behind Matt. Go see if we can get some birds. We had a few rain showers pass over too, but looks like those subsided for now. And it's gonna be cool, man. A couple guys out here got some dogs. Be easier for us to get some birds so we don't miss any. But man, it should be a really good time, guys. Lace them up, lace them up.
I make these look good, boys.
Jesus Christ, look at them chicken mother.
Hey, those are racer legs, son. If you're
What in the crap is that?
Hey, if you're gonna do it in gator.
Is that caiman?
Is there any other kind?
Or came in?
What y'all doing down there?
Boo. Man, do I need to go back and get my decoys? Yeah, y'all don't kill anything before I get back. Well, guys, I'm gonna head back to the truck and get my decoys. A lot of these birds are staying on the opposite side of the field, and we really don't have anything to kind of entice them to come on our side. So we're gonna get my decoys and see if that'll help out. Here we go. Here we go. Shots fired. Shots fired. Hey, no bird.
No bird. You gotta beat Jack's dog.
We're playing the dog. Hey, that's bullshit. Good job, Rusty.
Good boy, good boy. Put dead in here. Put dead in here. Put dead in here. Dead bird in here. Good dog. Good dog. Thank you. Good dog. Good dog. Guys, thank God for Rusty. He I took a couple more shots and just lost that bird on the ground, and he hunted him up really good. So thank God for Rusty getting that bird. That was awesome. Awesome, awesome. There you go, guys. There you go. Getting them up. All right, let's go get some more. Birds are starting to come in now, guys. So they're flying on this side over here. All right, guys, Matt took over off on the other side of the field, and percentage-wise, it's not good. I mean, as many shots as I've taken with the birds I got, it's not very good, but we're making our way. We're having fun, guys. It's hot for sure. Real hot. Ah! I just like to see it move once, you know? Oh boy. How many did you get over there, Matt? Did you get 5?
Maybe 3.
3?
So I think I have 8.
Now we're talking. Good shot.
Did you catch that on the GoPro?
I'm gonna delete it if I did. Hey, good shot. Who got that one, me or you?
Me.
Oh, get the f out of here.
Do you have one yet?
Yeah, I got 5 in here.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I was getting them while you were across.
Shot him before you could, Cap.
No, you didn't.
Oh, yeah.
No way. Yo, Rusty. Yo, Rusty. Rusty. No way. That bird was dead to rights, baby. Thank you.
Rusty checked in.
He's the MVP today. Guys, I am putting some shells out, that's for sure. Not getting a lot of return. Still having fun. I think Matt's got 10. He's close to the limit. I'm still sitting on 5. But man, still putting them down, guys. I think it's about 5:30, so hopefully we'll get into a few more.
Say, yeah, we got a 20-knot wind going, and look at those robo doves go.
Thanks, Mojo.
Come on, man. Had a jam there, guys. Jam me up. Goodness. It's like a war zone over here, guys. Look at this. Look at all these shells. Goodness gracious. Everywhere. Everywhere. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Man, I hope you enjoyed opening day of dove season. Got 11 birds today. Wasn't a limit, but man, we had a good time doing it. Man, it was fun hanging out with my buddy Matt. Met some new people. It was a great old time. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like these types of videos, if you want to see me go dove hunting again, but if you want to see that, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. Let me know about your opening day. If you got a limit, if you didn't get a limit, let me know that down in the comments. Guys, I am pooped. Ready to get back to the house, get a big sweet tea. So until next time, guys, we will catch you.
There say, yeah, we got a 20-knot wind going, and look at those robo doves go.
Thanks, Mojo.